and welcome to this week's What's Hot, a bittersweet week as some people consider the fragility of life as the tech sector loses one of its champion and the investment banking world loses one of its more respected chairs. So it appears almost churlish to talk about the gains in the price of gold hitting another record high. And we are seeing some gold-related stocks benefiting from that, stocks such as KEFI Gold and Copper, which says that the current gold prices should mean the first full-year net cash flow from its Tulu Kapi gold mine development in Ethiopia could come out at £154 million. But production isn't expected until 2026. And who knows what the price of gold will be in 2 years' time. Now, the city is on a break, yes, but it's not a holiday for the mergers and acquisitions, boys and girls who have been busy. We saw a double-digit increase in the share price of i3 Energy, that's the Canadian oil and gas producer. Its board has recommended a £174 million takeover by Toronto-listed Gran Tierra Energy. Now, on the bulletin board, some shareholders are saying it's too cheap, vote against the proposed deal. So will the collective of the retail shareholder force the company to hold out for a higher offer? However, UK Investor magazine says that the deal is clearly another example of overseas players seeing greater value in the operations of London-listed companies than the valuation that UK equity investors are willing or able to give them. I'm also watching BT. What is the future of our iconic company? Now, in June, Mexican billionaire Carlos Slim snapped up a 3% stake in BT. Now, remember French billionaire Patrick Drahi, the owner of French telco Altis. He built up a 24.5% stake in BT. However, Altis has debt, and that stake has now been bought by India's Bharti Enterprises, making one of India's biggest conglomerates a key strategic shareholder in BT. Now, as I record this, shares in BT are down about 6%. This after major wholesale broadband customer Sky agreed a long-term deal with rival broadband provider City Fibre. Now, Sky currently uses BT's Openreach network for its 5.7 million customers. So what impact will this have on BT's revenue? It's an interesting and political move by Sky, particularly as City Fibre doesn't have coverage across the whole of the United Kingdom. And finally, this week, the first £1 coins featuring King Charles III are being put into circulation. Almost 3 million of the coins have been minted. On the reverse side are a pair of bees. Will this generate a buzz of excitement? I hope you're well. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.